Cut a rectangle in 3mm felt, 6.5 by 4 inches, and curve the corners a bit if you want to. You can decorate the front and back too if you wish. Fold it in half and mark the centre back at the top. Take a length of elastic and fold over the raw edge and clip it to that centre back top. Stitch it in place through a single layer of fabric. Fold the sleeve in half across the width and clip it in place. Grab your notebook and cut your elastic to the required length. Tuck the raw edge of the elastic in at the centre bottom of the sleeve. Clip in place. Make a mark 1.5 inches down on one of the corners and snip off that corner to allow your fingers in there. Now stitch close to the edge along side and bottom. Don't forget to trim. Now add it to your notebook and there you have your completed pen or pencil sleeve.